Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial, I will teach you on how you can update your TikTok application. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now the same step goes for both the Android and the iOS device, so you can just go ahead and follow along. Now first things first, you want to open up your device right here, and you want to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Right after that, you can just go ahead and open up the respective stores on your devices. For the App Store, it is on the iOS device, and on the Android, it is the Google Play Store. In my case, I'm using my Android device right here, so you can just go ahead and open up your Play Store, and once inside, you can now go ahead and search TikTok. Now once inside TikTok, you can go ahead and open up the TikTok icon right here. And if you cannot go ahead and see an update button, it means you are already using the latest version of the TikTok application. So you can just also go ahead and search TikTok on the App Store, and from there, it is basically the same thing. If you cannot see an update button, it means that it is already updated to the latest version. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.